Is it a song from the 5-year-olds? Let's hear it for the 5-year-olds. Everybody inside the stage.
Scheming, do it, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Main one time, are you fronting on me and on the main one time? Are you blaming on me? You the main one lying. Are you threatening to keep it on the main one time? Just trying to be your everything. Main one time, are you fronting on me?
Hey guys, I'm in the process of creating a DIY project, but I'm not going to film much of it. But when I'm finished, I'll show you guys the end product. It's bedtime and then get back to it.
When I'm with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too.
getting stuff that I need from now. I could order those online because I would have gotten more. Remember when I was doing my wedding and I did like 24 of these, and then the roses, or I think it was 24 of these and 30 of the velvet, like real artificial flowers, not flowers, rose. So yeah, and I don't know, I think I want to have like a greenery and then the pink and the purple, yeah, and shades of pink and purple. So I'm gonna go by Bashko because Bashko have the real deal. I love these, but guess what? It's not worth it for the price. Come on, these are plastics. They're not even plastic, they're like hard foams. So the texture on the back is very soft. Like if you step on this by accident, it can break. You know, I like this one too, but listen, it's best to buy these online because but I like this one and I like that one, but I like this color more. So it's like a half white thing. I like this color, yeah, but these are small. I need something big as the bed or bigger than the bed, but I'm not going to find it in here. I have to go by my favorite place, Maxi, but they have nice things and they have the peel and stick tiles as well as these. Well, they have these from a longer time, but and these also. What's wrong with me? Okay, I love this color green and also this. I have something like this color, but I need to get a color like this. I love this color. It's very nice. I like that color. This brown is nice. However, I don't like the pattern.
But please put a leash on me anyway. Only self-esteem anyway. Do it. Do it.
There's another one around here, but it's actually finished, and I want it for my headboard. So this color, but it's actually finished. But I will put the other one around there. These are nice, but I don't think I want this type of texture. Day 12, I think. I like this one as well. It's like a half white creamish type. I like the cream. It's nice. Juice at the bottom, the water at the top, and some snacks. Some chips right there. So remember when I was telling you guys about the ones that I ordered online? This is how they're looking, and I like the, you know, the flower, the leaf. Yeah, so I think it's like 24 of these or something like that. And then I also have other colors. I have blue and I have aqua green. So here's the aqua green. There's also a blue one as well, but I need to, like, you know, pack these out. That's a big teddy bear from my sister, so I need to, like, get these together. But this one, the leaf is a bit little different. So these, but I prefer these leaves. You can see the difference between them. You can see the difference with these now. So yeah, I guess, you know, they're different for these, but I prefer these ones that I ordered online. But I love the pink. Initially for her birthday, because I don't want to say too much, I wanted to do like pink and red. Purple is cute as well. And I'm just thinking about all the outfits that she have and wondering if I need to probably do a custom made something for her. But she has a lot of cute outfits, so I'm you know, yeah, I'm just putting it together from now. I went into the town to get just a do-rag. End up getting those rolls and just some little snacks, nothing much. And I saw this and I said, let me get it, because I always be buying these stuff but I never really use them. I remember when she was 3 months and I bought it and I used it 3. When she was 4, I buy 4, I buy 5, I buy 6, and I never use them. So even the 6, I still have a 6. So I'm definitely gonna put this one to use, because yeah, your girl is 8 months now, so soon I'm gonna have to buy a 911 probably. So yeah.
I do that 3, 4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't